I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route.
Okay, so we got a package. This package is from Eayon Hair, and I have worked with them a few times before in the past. So I'm so excited to see this unit. It is an infamous headband wig. You guys know these wigs are getting super popular, and I just love how easy they are to throw on and go. So inside this package, I got 2 headbands. That one is so cute. Ooh, yes, I love this one. Super duper cute. And it also came with a wig cap and of course the wig. Oh, oh, oh. Yay. It has a slight chemical smell, but nothing alarming. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it and everything before I install it, but I just had to show you guys the cap construction. Pretty much standard for a headband wig. Comes with like that little velcro so you can adjust it. It also, this one comes with adjustable straps in the back, which I appreciate. Comes with a comb in the back, and let's see, 3 combs in the front, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. I wanted to start off showing you guys how the hair looked freshly washed before I did any manipulation to it. So y'all, let's get right into this. I'm so excited about this wig. I'm starting off by using the 24-hour color edges by Eben New York. I'm using the color Natural Black 1B. I'll link a direct link where you can purchase this from in my description box, so go ahead and check there because your girl does suffer from thin edges, and this is a quick fix for anyone out there who has the same issue. So that my wig is easy to apply, I like to put it in a ponytail before I apply the unit. I start off by inserting the back comb, and then I just insert the comb on each side. Once my combs are placed properly and as securely as possible while trying to keep, you know, my hair from pulling too tight, I go ahead and I take the headband part, which has the adjustable Velcro piece, and I just make sure that I snap that in as tight as possible because I do have a smaller size head. This cap construction, I believe, is a medium or standard cap. It's definitely very comfortable on my head. I have no complaints. I feel like this size cap will fit anyone. So in these next couple of clips, you're going to see that I did pull the headband all the way to my hairline. So if you don't want any of your hair peeking through, that's what you can do. However, I want it to look a little bit more realistic and fun, so I decided to push it back and kind of swoop a little bit of a baby hair or whatever on the sides. And I love that you can flip this hair to either side, whatever your preference is. You can just push it back. You can kind of give the illusion of a middle part. You can do so much with these headbands. I am a believer. Like, I've been about this life, but the fact that they came up with a wig where it's already having this headband concept, I'm so here for it. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to show you guys a few fun styles that I came up with. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and continue to watch.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm trying to be with you, 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 you. look, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
He can't love you like I love you, girl. You must be crazy, trying to replace me, baby. Cause girl, I trade it all for you. You know I risk it all for you. I'm only one call away on
you.
Only you, girl.
You.
Only one call from you.
You got feelings? Niggas got feelings too.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you.
So that finishes up today's video. Oh my gosh, I'm just in love with this little side pony action. I want you guys to let me know what was your favorite style down below in the comment section. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out Eayon Hair, I definitely suggest you do so. They have an array of different headband wigs on their website, so I'll leave all direct links down below in my description box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
I know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know if I cut off my hose.